Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First, if you want to change the language on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the ZEP application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the ZEP application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon to open the profile page, and on it you should see a list of my devices, and on that list you should see your AMAZFIT Active. Tap on it to select it. Here, scroll down, find the option called Watch Settings, tap on it, and right here you should see the option called System Language. Select it. It will open the list of languages. You can scroll through this list, find the language you would like to use on your watch. Once you find it, you can tap on the language to select it, and then tap on the OK to confirm and apply the language. Okay, now we can go back, and the language should be applied. So if we open the menu, as you can see, the language changed. And of course, once you're done, you can close the application, and that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.